Alright guys, we're back at Lowe's today. We're going to be doing a mulch job for my girlfriend's mom over at their house, put a new flower bed and stuff. I'm over here with Donovan at Lowe's. Alright guys, so after shopping around for a little bit, we went with these flowers and these blue star juniper. So we're getting 2 of the juniper and of course some of the weed protectant to go down. So I'm gonna go check out, pay for the mulch, pay for the bushes and flowers, and see y'all at the house. Alright guys, we're back at the house. Here's what we're working with. A lot of, you know, weeds and overgrown stuff. Okay, this isn't even a flower bed yet. We're gonna start it here, bring it around, circle it around like this, straight in about this area right here. Then dig up all this, get a nice edge along the line, get some soil, put it down, throw some mulch down. Our plan for over here is dig it all up, throw down some flower soil, like potting soil type stuff, get some nice soil down, throw some fabric across so no weeds grow, cut the holes in the fabric so we can plant the plants. We got the 2 Jupiter and the daisies, the red daisies, so we're gonna get all that done, get the flowers planted, then throw some mulch on top of it. So it's gonna be a big job, but it's gonna look good whenever it's done. Alright guys, so we got most of the green out of it. I decided to leave all this just so that it's kind of a barrier for the mulch not to run. So guys, we got the first flower bed done, bushes planted, flowers planted. We got this trash can full of dirt. All right. Okay, I got all the work done. I think it looks very, very well. So you guys take a look. Ended up keeping the green along here. Got the 2 Jubilee planted and the orange reddish daisies. Got this edged out nice and neat right here. No flowers over here or plants, just the mulch, but I think it still looks really well. So